After 3 days of successive gains, the indices today gave up some gains, with the SENSEX and the Nifty ending the day lower. The Nifty ended almost 59 points lower, while the BSE SENSEX ended about 189 points lower in trade. There was a stupendous rally in the last 3 days, and obviously the markets gave up some gains as there was profit booking. Clearly today's trade, if you see the Nifty stocks, it was clearly two set of stocks. On the one hand, we saw IT stocks gain ground, and on the other hand, we clearly saw the metal and mining stocks putting pressure on the indices. So among the IT stocks, what gained from the Nifty today was clearly HCL Tech. It led the rally on the Nifty today. We also saw other IT stocks from the Nifty like Infosys gaining ground. But really, it's the metal packs that put pressure on the Nifty today. So we had, among the metal stocks that lost ground today, was Vedanta, JSW Steel, Tata Steel, all took a knock and dragging the indices lower. But the biggest loser clearly was Yes Bank. Yes Bank lost heavily today in trade, and one of the prime reasons for the loss of Yes Bank was reports that Moody's had downgraded the bank's debt. So we saw Yes Bank fall in trade today. Among the other stocks that fell today was, this was apart from the Nifty stocks, was Kalpataru Power. Kalpataru fell because there were reports that there was some violation of bids that were undertaken for projects of the World Bank in Africa. That was many years ago. So we understand that's almost 7 years ago. There were violation of bids by Kalpataru Power for the projects of World Bank in Africa, and this led to some pressure on the stock. Another stock that lost ground in trade today was RBL Bank. Now, we have not seen RBL Bank fall so much. It fell almost 13-14% in trade today, and we don't often see it. It's recognized along with Bandhan Bank as a very strong private sector bank, and to fall this took 13-14% took markets quite by surprise. But clearly it was the banking and the NBFC sectors that was under pressure today. In fact, all of the NBFC stocks, even the well managed and the ones with a strong pedigree like L&T Finance Holding, even that fell 3 to 4% in trade. So it was really the finance and the banking sector that dragged the indices down in trade today. Coming to the Asian markets, were quite mixed. Europe was trading with slight losses. The German DAX and the French CAC and the UK's FTSE was down in trade. The Dow futures were up by about 30 odd points, which means the US markets in all probability will open higher. But coming to trade for the next few days, we expect it to stay range bound with very little volatility, and much of it will take cues, the markets will take cues from what happens across the globe. But it's likely to trade in a range, and as the days go up, we'll see comparatively less volatility than we have seen in the last few weeks.